Alright, well, a little bit more something that we can use to debunk all of this hysteria over May 21st through October 21st. So, the Mayan Dream Spell calendar, currently on today, May 15th. Alright, so we're going to calculate. And so we're going to go to the 20th, 5 days later. Okay, so kind of pointing diagonal, not exactly totally towards the galactic center, but in general kind of towards there. Alright, so now we're going to put it in animation mode. Alright, so starting date 2011, 5 day 21, 2011, oh, 11, okay. 10, 21, and then put a, I don't know, 50 delay on there, which might be slow enough so we can, whoa, okay, why can't it do it, alright, why's it gotta do it in full screen, I don't know. Alright, so I think you saw enough where the Earth kind of just, during that time in between May 21st and October 21st, the Earth goes a little bit through the galactic night. Now, like, how, if the people that came up with this whole May 21st thing through October 21st, supposedly they didn't have any program like this. Supposedly. But what if they did, and they just used this time frame to mess with people's minds, knowing very well that the Earth was about to go through the galactic night? Oh yeah, another thing. On this one website talking about this whole thing supposedly being true, they're trying to say the tribulation ended in 1994. Okay. Where was the war that killed a third of mankind then? Did that happen before 1994 somewhere? I don't think so. The tribulation's supposed to happen after then. After the war that kills a third of man, that emanates from the Euphrates, Iraq. The Iraqi war back then wasn't that huge of a scale. It didn't even have that. It didn't even have 200,000 soldiers in it. But China wasn't that much of a threat yet. And they're getting there though, because they would have that much soldiers plus all the other soldiers involved with the war. In order to have that many soldiers, so the tribulation has not happened yet. There's no pre-tribulation rapture. There's no word rapture. It happened. We have to go through the tribulation in order to ascend, I guess, because it's kind of just like a rite of passage, okay? Okay, now we're going to look at the normal view. Okay, so I'm going to go to calculate again. Going to go to 5, 21, 2011. Okay. Alright, view normal. Okay. So, yellow overtone star, Spectral 20. I am power in order to beautify. Commanding art, I seal the store of elegance with the overtone tone of radiance. I am guided by the power of intelligence. I am a galactic activation portal. Enter me. Okay. So now we'll look at the Tzolk'in. See, there's a core near the core days here with the galactic activation portals. Alright. Yeah, so some kind of knowledge here connected with this. You know, they're claiming that it's not, but I still don't think there's going to be some sudden some people are just going to disappear and go to heaven. And heaven's not merging with the earth or anything. No, no, no. We can't have anyone believe that. Huh. Alright, normal. And then, so we'll go to calculate again. So go. So we'll go to 10, 21. Red Lunar Dragon. Self-existing 4. I polarize in order to nurture. Stabilizing being. I seal the input of birth. The lunar tone of challenge. I am guided by the power of space. Does that look like the end of the world to you? Stabilizing being? How would the end of the world be stabilizing being? And now let's go to the next day. Yeah. Calculate. Go to the next day after this, because there's going to be days after this, pretty sure. I channel in order to influence, inspiring wisdom. I seal the process of free will with the resonant tone of attunement. I am guided by the power of flowering. I am a galactic activation portal. Enter me. Wait, November? Oh, whoops. I activate in order to communicate. Bonding breath. I seal the input of spirit with the electric tone of service. I am guided by the power of death. Calculate. I define in order to dream, measuring intuition. I seal the input of abundance with the self-existing tone of form. I am guided by the power of self-generation. I am a galactic activation portal. Enter me. Alright. Let's go further into the future, okay? Let's go to that date everyone was talking about. That might actually be the end of the age, not the end of the world. Two misinterpretations. One with when they first interpreted the King James Version of the Bible, where they made one of the first English versions, and some of them after that even, where they changed end of the age to end of the world, so that they can have more fear inciting, to be control freaks, basically. Alright, so Let's go to 12, 21, 2012 and see what it says on there. Blue Crystal Hand, Rhythmic 9. I dedicate in order to know, universalizing healing. I seal the store of accomplishment. With the crystal tone of cooperation, I am guided by the power of self-generation. That doesn't look bad at all. Okay, let's go into the next day and see what it says on that. I endure in order to beautify, transcending art. I seal the store of elegance with the cosmic tone of presence. I am guided by the power of free will. Wow. Huh. So they're trying to say this, all this is satanic. Yeah, that's a bunch of religio-politics thinking. Oh, well, headed to some more galactic activation portals right here, huh? Oh, there's a 12 right there. Huh, interesting. Interesting. Correlation right there. Even with our Gregorian calendar. It's kind of switched around though. Of course, yeah, 21, 12, yeah. So yeah, that should take the panic out of you. I just looked at the Mayan calendar, and it's not even negative like people are making it out to be with a movie and all that stuff. See? Calculate, go back to 21. Okay? See that? There's the Earth right there. You know, they're talking about how the Earth and the Sun, the galactic center, well, I guess the galactic center is exactly down this way. Huh. Yep. It aligns with it, not, the Sun doesn't go into the galactic center, no, it aligns with it. Though the way they word it, it just seems like it's confusing people. Alright. And there's really not that much galactic night left, so here I'll show you. In 2012 there's only like a tiny bit of galactic night left. So we'll go to 9:20, which is a galactic night direction. See? It's like just a few days of galactic night left. And then, watch, in 2013, there's not going to be any galactic night left for this planet. See? That's the furthest way out that way towards the galactic night. No more galactic night. See, the entire Earth's orbit is inside of the photon band, the galactic day. This could also be like the cloud of heaven even. Yeah, that's what they could mean, that it's on a cloud or something in the Bible. The cloud. It's not like a cloud in our Earth's atmosphere. No, it's a much bigger, it's a galactic cloud. It is like a cloud. It's got some gases in it. It's got photons. It's got a bunch of stuff. It's got this mystery particle that's somehow changing the radioactive decay and stuff on the planet.